Donald Trump, let's say, calls you up today and says, hey, I'm trying to win a Nobel Prize. How do I stop what's happening in Sudan? What would you tell him to do?
Easy. Call Abu Dhabi, call Mohammed bin Zayed, and tell him that U.S. intelligence services, Defense Intelligence Agency, and the Bureau of Intelligence and Research at State have intelligence assessments that clearly show, according to the Wall Street Journal, that you've been arming the RSF, including with weapon systems identified by Yale in the intelligence community as being used in Al-Fashir. And that if he doesn't stop, then there's going to be U.S. sanctions. We will no longer be able to have Americans buy duty-free at Terminal 1 at Dubai. That's what scares the hell out of the UAE. And the moment the United States or the United Kingdom says that, it's going to cause the UAE to jump. But up until now, they've been testing their business model, and they'll pause, and they realize that there's been no consequences. They don't think that's going to change.